All right, we're going to roll in 3, 2, 1. Shuffle them up. Let them go. Comes Neapolis and Rogue Devil. Oh, not letting the thing spin super well. Kind of countering each other out on that one, causing them both to bounce up higher. Lover Devil's now sneaking down the other side with Cement kind of pounding them through, so they're going to make it Cement, Lover Devil, Lover Drive, taking it down. I kept seeing Rogue Devil at the same time, and I was combining you. Lover Drive, GG. You got 3 in the top 10, so definitely being like, I'm winning this. Congratulations, you are up. Let's see what you got. All right, while that downloads, let's see what this says. Okay, these are just updates. Welcome to Riddle of Steel, a fast-paced action game inspired by Sekiro with gorgeous manga-inspired black and white art styles. Oh, we've played an early version of this. We played the earlier version of this. Okay, sick. I'm excited to see how it goes before. Now, I have not played Sekiro, so as much as I like the FromSoft games, Sekiro was just not the kind of game that I was as interested in, so I never picked it up. So I'm not good at the like blocking and countering and all that kind of stuff. And I think I sucked at it really bad last time. So I'm probably going to suck at it again. I probably need a controller for this too. Nice art. The art in this game is really cool. Stage select. Dragon of the East. Ooh, we got backgrounds now. Okay, I don't remember all the controls. Controls. Thank you. Okay, and in defense are all on the L's, and we can dodge with B. Okay. There's the dodge, there's the block. Dodge. Ow, ow. Dodge. Combo. Whoa, it's a little weird that they can get in front of you. Oh, wait, I can move the camera. I'm an idiot. The art style's fantastic, though. I love this, like, sketchy style. There we go. Dodge. Probably didn't do that the way I'm supposed to. God, it looks so good now with the background and everything. This looks fantastic. Turn to the menu. Okay. Forest of the Damned. Oh. Wait. None of my button inputs are working. Oh, I can only block. None of my attacks are working, or my dodge. Yep, I cannot attack. Let's try and restart. Yeah, still cannot attack. Is there... What were the actual... Is there keyboard controls? Mouse? Let's try that. It just won't let me attack. Yeah, I can't attack in here. Even the mouse doesn't work. Found a bug. Definitely found a bug. So yeah, we cannot attack. I can't attack or dodge in here. I can move. And I can block. Restart the whole game? Yeah. Magic of Alt F4. Let's try that. The accidental pacifist run. Look, I don't like violence. I'm against it in all forms. So I'm here. Let's try going straight into Forest of the Damned. Okay, now it's working. So we'll see if it's going back to the menu afterwards kind of a thing. Oh, I didn't get to do the... Yeah! Whoa, shit. That turnaround was fun. I do wish on that turnaround the camera followed you a little bit, though. Because that's a little rough on that, where, like, it runs around, but now you're in a completely different spot. Oh, shit. Is this waves? Dark Souls wave format? What happens when Dark Souls and Plants vs. Zombies have a baby? Ow! You get stabbed in the goddamn back. Alright, I'm just gonna kill these guys manually because the finisher takes too long. So it would be nice to be able to kind of target enemies too, or like have some sort of like lock-on camera for that. Because I do feel like there's a bunch of enemies, but I'm like not facing them. Oh, made it. Okay. Yeah, the multiple enemies are a little hard to keep track of. A lock-on would be nice, I feel like. Ow. Just got smacked in the back of the head. Alright, at least I can stagger all these guys. You thought for a second the trees were coming for me? An arborist's worst nightmare. Okay, this is interesting. Hello. I'm not sure if I'm... Again, since I'm not someone who's played Sekiro, I'm not sure if I'm doing a lot of the fighting, like, combat correctly. Like, I feel like I'm playing it a lot more Dark Souls-y. So here the camera's moving without me moving it. Suck it. Ooh, that flashbang at the end there, though. Dodging is a valid way to defense. Okay, so yeah, then I was doing fine with like the dodging and stuff because I mean I'm good in terms of. All right, let's see now if we go back. Oh, let's see. Okay, so it's something on your return code. Yeah, because I can't attack anymore. Can't attack or dodge, but I can block. So it looks like it's something where after you've completed a round. It's not resetting all of your abilities. So that seems like that'd probably be a reasonable thing to fix. Okay, so I can't do the other one yet, right? But yeah, overall, yeah, because when you come in on the first one, it's fine. Resetting is worse. Yeah, I mean, someone having to reset every time for, like, a game is really annoying, but in terms of, you know, testing, totally reasonable. At least we found a solution and it's not like we're just kind of stuck out, right? I wanted to see about, like, other strategies, because I really have only been using the slash combo. And I feel like I haven't been using anything else. Cleansing, heavy, axe kick stun, RR space R1? So there's that. That's the dash stab. Oh, there we go. That one's cool. So then back forward. Wait. There's the kick. Cleave is just hold R1. How is that different? So this is me tapping it. This is my hold. Those look almost exactly the same. Space is like pause. That's kind of what I thought, but okay, so RR... Wait. RR space R? It doesn't seem different than the normal slash. So this would be the normal slash with the 3 slashes. So R1, R1, R1. R1, R1 space, R1. Oh, there it is. Okay. So I think that's just kind of like the timing on those are just going to take a sec to understand. Okay. Pommel strike. Is that the pommel strike? It was a pommel strike before, now it's a throw. Ah, gotcha. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, overall, I honestly, especially the art style of this game is phenomenal. And it's just kind of like a big like duel simulator. I liked, because I think the first time we tested this, I mean, we tested this a while ago. And the first time we tested it, it only had, we were just in a giant white field. And like just literally everything was white. And we just had like the one boss fight. Switching it up and having the multiple enemies, I think is really cool. I like it a lot. Yeah, because this is what the game looked like before. For those that didn't see it the last time we played. This is what the game looked like before. And you can definitely see a really cool upgrade to it. The like shader styling that you got on it is really cool. It's made it a lot sketchier looking. And I like it a lot. Like all the styling is really good. You took out this combatant though. This person was a jerk from what I remember. Looks like a neat 3D beat 'em up. I mean, honestly, I could see it being just kind of like a semi like boss and wave rush game. Right? You have waves, you have bosses. It just kind of depends on which level you're on. It's super neat. It really is going to depend on how Lever Drive would want to take it. In terms of, you know, how you structure the different pieces of combat that you go through. You want to make like levels, but I suck at level design. So when you say you want to make levels, do you mean you want to have like levels that you traverse through and it's not just a fighting game, like where it's like you have like a single instance of fighting, or are you meaning you want to have levels like an open area where you kind of progress through similar to like a Dark Souls or like a Sekiro kind of thing? I guess that's kind of the difference, right? I feel like this is almost set up to be more of a fight game as opposed to like a big. I mean, I guess you could still do. It is kind of like you're saying. It's like they were saying. It's kind of like a beat 'em up, right? So you could do like a level with like a little, you know, basically instead of making big open levels, you can do like narrow kind of levels that push you. Like maybe you're trying to advance through on a fortress or something, so it's pushing you down like market streets. So basically, instead of having level designs where you have to have these big like open areas where you can get into here, you can get over here, you can do all this. You can kind of put people on a little bit more of a set path, like arena, next arena, next arena. Okay. Yeah, and I think you could definitely do that. I like the forest mode that you had going there. I think that really worked well, being in like the Ring of Trees. You can do like a Coliseum kind of a thing. You could do, you know, basically you could just set different environments, structural boxes, environments, a bit of linear progression, keep going. Yeah, like that kind of thing could work. I mean, it could just be like progress to the end of a thing, or you could assign different challenges depending on what you're trying to do, right? Maybe one level is like, you know, you only have to go a certain distance. Like, you don't have to go that far, but you've got to kind of fight your way through to the boss. Other ones, you have the waves that come in like you had in the second level there. And yeah, you've got a lot of different options and kind of cool ways you can do stuff. Like the scenario. Yeah. Basically, each level could just be a semi-different scenario, and that would allow you to make different kinds of levels, have some variety, but without needing to go so far outside the box of like making an environment. Right? Or like a whole like open world kind of section or area. Keeping it kind of fairly like locked in. Could be really neat. I like it a lot. Really, really well done. It's looking fantastic. Because I remember playing it the first time and I struggled a lot more. This time I felt like I had more control over the character and moving. I feel like dodging wasn't as emphasized last time. I feel like last time it was heavier on the like Sekiro counter combat as opposed to being able to dodge and get away from stuff as well. Thanks for feedback. Definitely. Yeah, Lover, if you have any other specific questions, let me know. But ultimately, I feel like you're on a great path. Now the thing I'm most interested to see is how you structure the game flow, right? Like what are you doing with level structure? Is it just fight after fight? Is it, you know, like we were talking about, is it scenarios? Is it a whole bunch, like, how do you kind of structure that? Because I think that's going to be the next kind of interesting thing to figure out. Because I feel like your mechanics and the, like, styling are phenomenal. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Lever Drive for sharing the progress of their game with us. I hope you enjoyed seeing this look into what they've been working on, and seeing how important it is to bring in other people to test so you can find bugs that you may not always catch yourself. Riddle of Steel is looking really cool so far. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, there's a download available. There's a link in the description. I'd like to give a big thank you to my Patreon supporters, especially my video producer tier and above patrons like C. The Mess, Motzi, Nazar Salim,
Pixelator Gadsy, and Warren Stephen Rose. You're all awesome, and I really appreciate the continued support. And another patron, Charchini, left a great idea. Since we're ending with a raffle, let's see what we're checking out next time. Have a good one. Later.
Go! Shuffle them up, send them down. Into the water feature, which we just fixed earlier this week. As they pour themselves out of the lazy rivers. Down comes Bad Cop. I'm running away with it. Screw you all. I am... Aw, I got bounced up. I was doing so well. For half a second. It's like that scene in Fast and the Furious. I almost had you. Bad Cop coming through. Here comes Van, Neopolis, everyone getting stuck in the holes. Hyperlink sneaking around the outside. Who's coming? That's Neopolis. Foddy's in there. I'm nothing as well. Here comes Neopolis bouncing through on the outside with Hyperlink. Mate's in there too. Bouncing through. Neopolis taking it down at the last second. GG. Neopolis, you are up. Let's see what game you have brought us. It was made in 3 hours for the Tri-Jam. So this better be brilliant because you had plenty of time. And you took first place, so it better be good. You made a math game. You're going to show everybody how bad I am at math?